I caught this 1-2 move in the heart of the New York session. Most traders lost money today, but I'm gonna show you how I made it risk-free. Stick around because I'm revealing the exact management secret that saved my account today. The New York session just opened. I'm looking for a liquidity sweep here before I even think about buying. There it is, the rejection and engulf candle. I'm entering a buy position here after two bullish candles closed. With 1-2 risk to reward ratio, my stop loss is right below this wick. When price hit TP1, this is golden rule. I moved my stop loss to break even. Now this is a risk-free trade. No matter what happens, I can lose money. The market is hesitating. Most people would panic and close here. But because I am risk-free, I'm staying in for the full target. We're almost at TP2. Instead of just waiting, I'm trailing my stop loss to TP1. I've now locked in half of my expected profit. Boom! Target hit. That's how you trade the New York session like a pro. 1-2 RR banked. The key wasn't the entry, it was the management. If you want to see my daily setups, you need to be part of this channel. I'm growing this account from scratch. Subscribe to join the journey and like this video if you learned something new today.